Going on, people? Mark from Double Clutch Auto Reviews here. Thank you so much for tuning in for another review video. Today we're going to review this scratch removal cloth that my grandmother bought on an infomercial. We're going to try it out removing a couple of scratches. For instance, this one on my grandfather's 2015 Ford Edge. Now it just says it's nanotechnology microfabric cloth that repairs scratches, chips, and scrapes on painted surfaces. We have to clean and dry the surface, which I've already done. Wear a glove, okay, and start wiping the scratches with the scratch removal cloth. Gently wipe until the scratches fade away completely. And that's literally it, folks. The surface is clean and dry, good as I can get it anyway. Good enough, right? So let's give this a shot. I can definitely feel there's a little bit of a grit to it. So it probably has maybe like a, very, very fine, even like a 5,000, if not even finer grit sandpaper in it. Just gonna continue this until I feel like I've done a good enough job on it. We'll put it back in our little packaging here. Keep it fresh. Now I'll just wipe it away with a microfiber. See how it came out. And it removed a little bit of it, but definitely didn't take it all away. And I believe that this product was around $20 or so, according to my grandmother. My conclusion is that this is a ripoff. Don't buy it. You're gonna have to properly get some sandpaper and wet sand it and do some proper paint correction yourself if you actually want the job done properly. This is definitely a little bit of a gimmick. Sorry. Just to give the scratch removal cloth a fair shot, I'm gonna try it again on the rear bumper here, just below the tailgate, where it gets all scratched up, loading items in and out of the car. Let's take our cloth again, just give it another whirl all the way down the line here. And I'm really buffing it in. Going in circles all directions. Really making sure I'm giving the scratch removal cloth a fair shot. Back in the packaging and buff it all out. I'd say it looks a little bit better, but overall, this is not a miracle product. Okay, this is for real the last shot for the scratch removal cloth. I'm gonna try to remove this tiny little scratch, and it is so hard to see. You can't even see it in certain light on the paint when I bring the camera up like this. I mean, if it doesn't remove this scratch, then it is officially a flop. Gonna really give this scratch one last good old college try. And that was a lot of buffing. That should do it. All right, folks, let's see how this one made out. And after it all dried, the verdict is I can still see the scratch. Just barely. It did remove it a little bit. It is even harder to see now, but it still did not remove it completely. And you could get the same results, if not much better, with some simple sandpaper and traditional old rubbing compound and then waxing the car yourself the old school way. And it will save you well over 20 bucks that this thing costs. Thanks for watching though. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you don't go out and buy this because I don't think you should. I don't think it's worth it. All right, take care guys. See you on the next one. Peace.